Hi guys, today we are going to adjust a patient of spinal canal stenosis with the activator, and I am very excited since I'll be using the activator for him, and I have got these original activator shoes also. Let's see how this goes. Yeah, maybe you can take a closer view. The right one seems to be a little shorter. Yeah, but not much of a difference. Let's try adjusting him. This is the activator. It's an awesome activator. I'm going to use it at different intensities for different joints, and I've just switched it on, and I'm going to adjust 3 potency 3 for the sacrum, and he has a sacrum posterior also. So let's start adjusting. Before that, I'd like to show you the ball in this. It's an awesome shot. So you will be feeling some clicks here now. Hope this is comfortable for you, sir. No problem. This I've adjusted the pelvis. He has right side